What's up guys, as it's the last day of this amazing Hurtigruten trip around Greenland and Iceland, I thought I'd do a little video comparing and contrasting the two places. Let's begin with the similarities because pretty much everything is different. Both are beautiful islands located in the Arctic with cold weather, stunning nature, and a wide variety of animals. That's about it for the similarities. The biggest difference is that their names should be flipped because Greenland is covered in ice and Iceland is covered in greenery. When it comes to size, Iceland is tiny, just smaller than the state of Kentucky. On the other hand, Greenland is massive, about 8 times larger than Texas. Politically speaking, Iceland is a sovereign country, while Greenland is technically part of Denmark. This means that Iceland has its own government system, its own currency, and voting power in the UN, whereas Greenland has to rely on Denmark for all of the above. The people of Iceland are descendants from the Vikings, tall, white, blonde hair, and blue eyes. The natives of Greenland are called Inuits, who share the same ethnic roots as the Arctic settlers of Alaska, Canada, and Siberia. With such opposite people, the languages, cuisines, and traditions of Iceland and Greenland are completely different. Sugar Disneyland. Iceland is easily accessible as a tourist destination, and over 2 million people come here every year. We are in the Blue Lagoon in Iceland.
It's amazing.
It's amazing. It's just like this natural spa.
It's practically saved us from the bank crisis, and it's good for us. It brings more variety, it brings more life, especially for these small towns. It becomes way more bearable to live here.
On the contrary, Greenland gets around 70,000 visitors a year. You can actually hear the silence here. It is just complete blissful nature and does not have the infrastructure for tourism. The ground feels like a giant sponge. It's crazy. Both Greenland and Iceland are amazing places, and this has been a wonderful trip to say the least. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys tomorrow from Turkmenistan. Guys, this is your last chance to get 25% off with Hurtigruten to Greenland or Iceland next year. They're only offering this to you guys. Simply go to the link below or call this number and mention my name. And please act soon because the offer ends in a few weeks. Thank you so much. Have an awesome trip, and I'll see you guys later. I'm Binsky, and if you like my travel videos, please click subscribe and join me as I plan to visit every country in the world.